Now, let's come to the basic three progressions which we are going to study, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. What is an AP? AP is called arithmetic progression. What is the basic rule to define an AP? The basic rule to define an AP is, if we are having this A, which is your first term, अब next term हमें find करना है. How we will going to find the next term? We will add a particular value to it. When we will be adding d to it, then the second term will be a plus d. Now, how we are going to find the next term? So again we are going to add a same constant value d to it, and we will be getting the third term. So this is our first term, this is our second term, and this is our third term. So how we are going to form an AP? We are having the first term in which we will be adding a constant value to get the next term, and then we will be adding a same constant value to get the next term. So we can also say that if A1, A2, A3, these three terms represent an arithmetic progression, then sir, if A1 is like say A and A2 is A plus D, then A2 minus A1, it will give us A plus D minus A, that is D. Similarly, if we will calculate A3 minus A2, so A3 is our A plus 2D and A2 is A plus D. So on subtracting these two terms, again we will be getting D. So we can say that an arithmetic progression follows the order that the difference of the two consecutive terms is always a constant, and that constant is called common difference. The first term is represented by A and this common difference is represented by D. So AP is a sequence whose terms increase or decrease by a fixed number. That fixed number is called our common difference. Similarly, we have seen that if A is the first term and D is the common difference, then how we can write the AP? If the first term is A, then the next is obtained by adding D to it, and the next is obtained by adding D to the second term, and similarly we can calculate the nth term. Now let's say how we are going to get this formula. So A1 first term is A, A2 we are having A plus D, A3 we are having A plus 2D. Okay, how we are getting this? Again by adding the constant value D to each term. Now from this, if we are asked to find the nth term, then from the principle of extrapolation we can say that sir यहाँ पर तो d के आगे कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब कोफिशिएंट 0 है, यहाँ d के आगे कोफिशिएंट 1 है, यहाँ d के आगे कोफिशिएंट 2 है, तो थर्ड टर्म के लिए कोफिशिएंट इज 2, इन द सेकंड टर्म द कोफिशिएंट इज 1, फॉर द फर्स्ट टर्म द कोफिशिएंट इज 0. So for the nth term the coefficient of d must be n minus 1. So we can say that the nth term of the AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it clear? Now moving to the next thing. That's it. The formula for the nth term of the AP.